How do you determine the sex of a praying mantis? Have you ever wondered how to tell if a praying mantis is male or female? This is not just a fun fact. It plays a role in insect conservation efforts. Knowing the sex of these fascinating insects helps scientists understand their populations and behaviors. So, let's break it down in a simple way. The most reliable method to determine the sex of a praying mantis is by counting the abdominal segments on the underside of the abdomen. Female praying mantises typically have 6 abdominal segments, while males have 8 segments. If you look closely, you will notice that the last segment of a female is usually larger and rounder. In contrast, males have several smaller segments toward the end of their abdomen. Now let's talk about some other physical differences. Size is a big clue. Females are generally larger and have a plumper, rounder abdomen. Males are smaller, slimmer, and more slender. If you observe their wings, you will see that male mantises often have wings that extend beyond their abdomen. This allows them to be agile flyers. Female wings usually reach only to the tip of their abdomen, and they are less capable of sustained flight. Another interesting difference is in their antennae. Males tend to have longer and sometimes thicker antennae. These antennae contain sensory cells that help detect pheromones released by females. This is crucial for males to locate females for mating. Behavior also gives clues to their sex. Females are typically more aggressive and less flighty, while males are more timid and active flyers. From a conservation perspective, accurately determining the sex of praying mantises is important. Males and females often have different behaviors and ecological roles. Understanding the sex ratio in populations can help monitor reproductive health. For example, since males actively search for females using pheromone detection, preserving habitats that support these behaviors is vital for their survival. So, the key practical step is to carefully observe the underside of the abdomen and count the segments. 6 segments indicate a female, and 8 segments indicate a male. This method, along with noting size, wing length, and antennae, provides a clear way to distinguish between the sexes in praying mantises. By knowing how to identify them, you can contribute to the conservation efforts that help protect these amazing insects.